Hello everyone. Today we'll be changing the internal battery in a Hyundai Elantra key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 all the way up to present day, and inside we'll find the CR2032 battery. These batteries are really inexpensive. You can change them at home DIY, so I'll give you a link down below to get this battery on Amazon, and then you can follow along and just do this yourself. So go ahead, find the button on the bottom of the key fob, push it down, and remove your internal key. Now, in the hole, right next to the hole where the key came from, you can see a small groove. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver and insert it into that little groove. And with a little bit of pressure, you can twist, just like that, to make some separation on the side. And now you can either finish it with your fingers or just work your way down, twisting until the two halves come apart. And in here we can see that our battery is housed pretty snugly, and I can't really remove it with my fingers. I'm going to use this one of these precision screwdrivers. This set is really cheap, it's just a couple bucks. I'll give you a link if you want to get that on Amazon, so you can safely remove your battery without damaging it. You can come in kind of the top corner here, and just put this tool under, and with a little pressure it will pop right out. One more time, just locate this area here and pry it out. Take your new CR2032 battery and make sure this positive side with the text is facing down. Align it with this metal component first before pushing the top into place, just like that. And that's really all it takes. We are going to make sure this circuit board is in place. Make sure it fits in and it's not moving around. Take the battery half and put it on top and click everything back together. Finally, you can just return your key with a click, and there you go, you're all done. Wasn't too difficult, and you have a new battery in your Hyundai Elantra key fob. Thank you for watching.